nocturia or frequent trips to the washroom. So if you're going to the washroom at night more than 2 times, this will create a disturbance in your sleep and you will feel tired and sleepy during the day. So if this is a pressing symptom and you have loud snoring, or you know somebody who has nocturia and loud snoring, this could be a symptom of a condition called as obstructive sleep apnea. What to do? Get yourself tested for a sleep disorder, and if positive, get treated, and you will see that there is a remarkable difference. The frequent trips to the washroom will stop and you will have a good night and a good day. So do not neglect this symptom. Snoring and trips to the washroom are a symptom of obstructive sleep apnea.